There's a story about a witcher who helped an ailing priest.
I can drop your men before their blades drop an inch.
The monster slayer believed the sickness was in fact a curse, and could be lifted by killing whoever placed it.
A witcher.
Lord Vesemir, my new best friend.
Crossed a lesson on my way here.
So we've heard.
You must make a killing at druid festivals. Don't usually see your sorts around the...
Imagine if you witches labored for more than just thrill and coin.
Shame. Few new beasts would be good for business.
I should have offered up some coin, then you would have handled matters.
It was not a question of price.
Nothing good can come of this.
Fear and ignorance are good business. That's what Deglan said the first time we met.
There'll always be another monster.
Monsters to fight monsters. How unlike your predecessors. Witches! On me! Now!
The swashbuckling witcher for hire, the slayer Vesemir, priced only for the foulest of creatures.
Not too long ago, you were stuffing my head full of those very notions.
You ain't fed us in days. We ain't given sleep, can barely stand up. Now you got us playing with swords. Did you know that Tomas and the others would die in the swamp?
It's a numbers game, young fella.
This isn't real.
What are you prattling about?
I didn't know much about witches when I was young. I didn't know you could smell better, hear better.
Monsters were going extinct. I had to protect our way of life. Think of all the coin you stand to make, young fella.
I didn't know that the witcher sensed me in the cupboard, trembling, barely breathing, watching as he drove his sword through my mother.
All of this to line our pockets.
You were always too focused on the gold in your hand.
You never wanted that. You were always content. No!
The only thing keeping men from hunting us are the scariest beasts we keep away.
We were created to kill creatures like these, not to make them.
Monsters to kill monsters.
They're your boys now, young fella. Make 'em witches.
But they hate us.
Make 'em something more. To better me.
There'll always be another monster. Geralt.